Open the hood. Remove the access panel from the left side of the cowling. Push down on the tab at the top of the filter cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the frame.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. For more information, check the description below the video.
Clean out any excess debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicator arrow pointing up.
You can buy spare parts from us on our website.
Clip the cover back onto the housing and make sure that the bottom posts are secured into place. Reinstall the access panel. Close the hood.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.